Hi, this is Les from Lean Woodworks. I posted a video yesterday about setting up with domino templates. Well, even if you have a domino machine, which don't get me wrong, they're awesome. Uh, the measuring, the multiple times measuring is an issue. And I talked yesterday about processes. I'm going to hit it again. Measurement in any process is done at the end, and I'm going to break it down into a few simple steps. You have the execution of the work, then you have the measurement afterwards. Then we look at that measurement and we change the plan. So it's plan, execution, measurement, plan, execution, measurement, till you get that repeatable, accurate, in our case, woodworking, accurate process. Okay, so it was probably 10 or 12 years ago, Ron made a video about, hey, I kind of take the time to pre-set up the job, pre-set up the process. I finish in the same time or less than anybody else, and my product quality is through the roof. Well, he was right about that. And I focus on that in my work as well. So I'm going to show you the setup right here that we're doing to get those center dominoes. As you can see right here, we got a panel. We got all our bones cut. Okay? We took one measurement right here for this center, for these center dominoes. We took one measurement. Okay? And we went ahead and we lined it up. We made sure it was square, all of that, and we cut it. We've only cut one now. Then we turned around, we took and we set up a laser on the bench, and the laser is sight lining right down through the middle of these previous cuts. Okay? Now what that's going to allow us to do is come in on the next one and just set up the template and cut them. Notice over here, we started here with a fence that stopped. We took a precision measurement, we squared off the line, we made the cuts, and now we're looking down a sight line right through those ovals right there. And it's very easy to tell. And there I go setting up the template. It's gonna be great. I'll clamp this down, cut those pockets, throw the next piece up there. Hey, this is Lean Woodworks. I'm telling you, change to the Polk work system. Get on smartwoodshop.com and get you a set of plans. Do it. Do it. I did. Thanks for watching.